Hey, thanks for watching. So this was actually a fun little build, and it's got some history to it. A couple years ago, one of our scouts had misheard me, because I make a dummy car for the track when we have like an empty lane and we need something to fill it. And they'd misheard me when I said I was going to make a cool car. They thought I'd said I was going to make a pool car. So, well, I made a pool car. And that was a fun little one. Then last year, I had to come up with something else that I could make a pool, so I just made a pool. Little above ground pool using some epoxy, try and make it look like I had water in it. And that left me in a bind for this year, trying to figure out what the heck am I going to make this year. Well, a pool of light was what I came up with, so I made this one that, yeah, lights, because that's what I do. Apparently I make lights. It was a fun little build in Fusion, trying to figure out how to get like the shape of it just right and all that, playing with the effects and whatnot. It's literally a light box. It's a D1 Mini, a little battery, and just a little strip of cob LEDs. But yeah, I think it was a fun build, and again, I appreciate you watching.